Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the PRL front pipe for my Accord 2.0. It's a full 3-inch front pipe, connects to the downpipe. This is the hardware you get, and they give you some new gaskets as well for both sides. So this is the front pipe. I'm going to be installing it pretty soon. Gonna have to jack the car up in a little bit. I'll show you a comparison of both OEM and this one. This is 3 inches like I was saying. The OEM is 2.5. So this is supposed to help with top end power, a little bit of torque, but more top end horsepower, which is good because that's where the car needs it more. So I'm gonna give a review on that later on after driving for a while. See if I actually feel a difference on the top end of the car. So let's get into the installation. Okay, took about 20 minutes or so to get it out. This side was a little harder. This is the front pipe back to the exhaust side because I've never removed it. So if you have like an impact gun, that would make life a little bit easier. I highly recommend spraying it down with penetrating oil. The downpipe side came out a little quicker because it was already removed. Sorry for the noise in the background. This is actually the comparison, 2.5 to the 3-inch. Okay, so this is the back part of the front pipe. Those bolts that they gave you as replacements, they go on the back side over here. Right there. So these are the bolts. I didn't tighten anything up yet because I want to make sure it's right. And for the front, one of my Instagram followers gave me a good tip on where to mount it. There's 2 mounting points for the hanger. So I'm going to bring it to the front of the car where it connects to the downpipe, and I'll show you how that's supposed to be. So now this is looking back from the downpipe, which is right here. Still didn't put the nuts in yet. Going back, and there's that hanger I was talking to you about, and he was saying to put it in the lower hole. There's a hole up above, right up there, because you need more clearance. So he said use this one. That way you don't get any vibration. So that was a good tip he gave me. Really appreciate that. I figure I'll pass it on to you guys. So as far as installation, it's pretty simple. You just got your 3 bolts here. Spraying with penetrating oil always helps. Change the gasket out to provide a gasket. Put your nuts back on. Tighten up, and pretty much good to go. I didn't even drop the shield all the way. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to button it up. I'll start the car. I'll see if I get any vibrations. And then I'm going to have to test drive it and see how that works. So I'll be back in a little while as soon as I finish buttoning this up. Alright, this is the first startup. I'm not expecting much of an exhaust sound and difference, but let's see. Start, by the way. It actually sounds like there is a little more sound. It's weird. Not much though. So let's go underneath and see if there's any exhaust leaks. Close everything up, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take it for a ride tonight because I gotta take a shower. I'm so sweaty. So far, no leaks. Everything sounds good. I like to spray a little water on it, see if I get any steam blowing in any which direction. No leaks. That's good. Let me check the front. Here's the front. No leaks, everything sounds perfect. Awesome. So that's it, guys. We're all buttoned up. I'll give you a quick few revs just to let you hear the difference. I actually thought when I revved it before, I heard a little bit more of like almost like a popping sound, which was kind of cool. But overall, I would rate this job very, very easy to do. It probably takes more time to get under the car and get it up than to actually do the job itself. It's not very difficult, so this is definitely an easy do-it-yourself job. So let me give you some revs, and then I'll do a review video after this once I get some actual driving in and real-world experience with it, so I can give you an honest review of if it's worth it or not. And you know, I'm pretty sure it is. You know, I could definitely feel that it should make a difference just by the piping size being larger. I do have the stock cap back. The stock cap back is going to be going soon. I have my new exhaust on order, so stay tuned for that. I'll give you a few quick revs, and that's going to complete this video. All right, so I'm going to start and rev it for you guys. So as you can hear, definitely a little more of like a popping kind of a sound, which is pretty cool. So there is a sound difference, which I'm surprised, and I'm happy at the same time. So like I said, I'm gonna do some real world driving, and I'll give you guys an honest review of what I think about the front pipe. So far so good. Fitment is awesome. Installation was easy, so really can't complain about all that. I love when a job goes really easy and I don't have any hiccups. This went absolutely flawless, no hiccups, no issues. It went right in. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.